Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly find and understand the authority score for any domain, which is essential for evaluating website credibility and planning your SEO strategy. First, let's head over to the Domain Overview section, where all the key metrics are available. Here, go ahead and enter the domain you'd like to analyze in the search field. Then hit Search to pull up the data. Perfect! Right away, you'll see the authority score prominently displayed at the top of the overview. While you're here, take a moment to check out related metrics like the backlinks section, which provides valuable context for understanding the score. If you want to dive deeper, simply click on the authority score number itself to access a more detailed breakdown. This score becomes especially powerful when you're benchmarking against competitors, helping you understand where you stand and inform your SEO priorities. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to locate and interpret authority scores to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Thanks for following along. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.